Hi everyone, it's me again, Mama Mariel, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss on how to solve problems involving the area and circumference of the circle. But before you proceed on this video, please check the first part. Illustrates a circle. Doon nga is diniscuss ko different parts of the circle and their definitions, and ililive ko yung link niyan dito sa taas. Ayan. Pakipuntahan nyo na lang muna before you proceed in this video para naman alam nyo kung ano ba yung mga tawag sa iba't ibang parts na mayroon kay circle. Alright? And please, wag nyo kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like tong video, and i-hit mo na din yung notification bell down below para naman palagi kayong updated sa mga bago kong math tutorials and sa mga bago kong vlog dito sa YouTube. So now, we are going to discuss the area and the circumference of a circle. So what are you going to do is to just sit back and relax and just listen on what I am saying, and alam kong kayang-kaya nyo ito kapag naintindihan nyo na siya. Okay? So simulan natin sa circumference, at ibibigay ko sa inyo ang formula ng area and circumference, and nakikita nyo na siya sa screen as of now. So when we say circumference, it is the distance around the circle. Ito yung tinatawag nating circumference. Ibig sabihin, ang mini-measure natin is yung distansya nitong circle nito, or gaano kahaba itong nakapalibot na ito. That is what we call the circumference. And the formula for the circumference is, meron tayong dalawang formula. We have the circumference is equal to 2 pi r, or circumference is equal to pi d. It depends on the given kung anong formula ang gagamitin nyo, or it depends on you kung saan kayo mas comfortable na gamitin ang formula. Alright? So, alam ko, iba sa inyo is alam na kung ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng pi. Ayan. So, ang value po ng pi natin is 3.14. And actually, mahaba yung value niyan. Actually, forever na yung value ng 3.14. Sobrang dami niyang numbers. Pero, pinaikli na lang siya as 3.14. So, palagi niyang tatandaan, no? Ang value po ng pi, yan yung spelling. And ang basa nga sa kanya ay pi. It is equal to 3.14. So, kapag may nakita kayo na ganyan sa mga equation or sa mga formula, that is the value of pi, 3.14. Alright? So, what do we mean by area? So, the area is the measure of the space enclosed inside the circles. So, when we say area, ito yung sinusukat natin, yung pinaka-space na to. That is what we call the area. And the formula that we are going to use to find the area of the circle is area is equal to pi r raised to 2, or pi r squared. Okay? So, basically, ganun lang kasimple ang circumference and area. And then, now, we are going to solve problems involving the area and the circumference of the circle. We have here, number 1, find the circumference of the circle if the radius is 4 cm. Find also the area. So, alam naman natin, when we say the radius, ito siya. It is a segment whose endpoints are on the circle and the center of the circle. Ayan yung sinasabi nating radius. Okay, so how are you going to find the circumference? Of course, we're gonna use the 2 pi r. Since given natin is radius, of course, kung mamimili ka dito sa dalawang to, ang gagamitin mo na lang is etong may radius na given. Kasi hindi naman given si diameter. And remember, sinabi ko na sa unang video na ang diameter is double the radius, or dalawa ng radius. Meaning to say, kapag nilagyan pa natin to ng isang line dito, ang tawag na sa kanya ay diameter, or hinati yung circle into two congruent parts. And since ang given ay radius lang, ayan, or yung kalahati lang ng diameter, so gamitin natin si C is equal to 2 pi r. And then what are we going to do is to just substitute the value of the given and the pi in this formula. So we have C is equal to 2. Ano ba ang value ng pi? We have 3.14 times the radius is equal to 4 cm. Alright? So, we have 2 times 3.14 times 4. And, it depends on you kung alin yung gusto nyong unahing i-multiply. Like, pwedeng 2 times 3.14 muna. Pwede din namang 3.14 times 4 muna. And, unahin natin si 3.14 times 4. That is equal to 12.8 times 2. Alright, dahil inuna natin si 3.14 times 4. And then, 12.8 times 2, that is 25.12. And dahil ang label nga natin is centimeter, therefore, we have 25.12 centimeter. And then, yun na yung pinaka-length or haba nitong palibot na ito ng circle, or that is the circumference already. Okay, ganun lang kasimple ang pagkuha ng circumference given the radius, alright? Okay, now, we are going to find the area naman. So, what are we going to do to find the area is, of course, to get the formula. We have A is equal to pi r squared. Okay, and then just substitute the value of pi and the given radius. We have 3.14 times the radius is 4 centimeter raised to 2. Okay, so when you're going to find the area, ang palagi nyong uunahin is yung mayroong exponent. That is given sa ating GEMDAS or PEMDAS rule. Remember, uunahin palagi ang may mga exponent bago kayo mag-multiply. Alright? So, dito, dahil nga si 4 ang mayroong exponent, then we are going to get the exponent of 4. So, ikopyahin mo muna natin si 3.14. And then, we have 4 raised to 2. And, ito, paulit-ulit yung sinasabi, no? Marami pa din ang nagkakamali dito. When you are going to perform the exponent, we have an exponent of 2. Therefore, we are going to multiply the base 2 times by itself. Diba? Kasi dalawang beses to. For example naman, ito ay 3. Therefore, ito times natin itong base 3 times. Okay? Ganun po ang sinasabi ng exponent. Hindi siya automatic imumultiply mo like 4 times 2 is 8. No? Ang exponent po ang nagsasabi kung ilang beses mo imumultiply itong base sa kanyang sarili. Okay? So, we have 4 times 4, that is 16. 3.14 times 16, that is 50.24. And, wag niyong kakalimutan, lagyan ng label, no? Sana all may label. De joke. So, when you're going to put a label sa area, palagi nyo siyang nalagyan ng square. Or, di ba dito, centimeter siya. Therefore, ang area niya is square centimeter. Pwede din ganito. Pwede din ganyan. Basta ang basa sa kanya is 50.24 square centimeter. Alright? Maalin sa dalawang to yung ilagay nyo na label. Basta palagi nyo tatandaan na kapag area ang hinahanap, palagi siyang mayroong square na nakalagay. Unlike dito sa circumference, since length lang ang hinahanap dito, therefore, centimeter lang or yung kung ano lang nakalagay sa given, yun lang yung ilalagay natin. Okay, so take a look at our next example. We have to find the area and circumference of the circle if the diameter is 6 meter. Okay, as you can see kanina, ang given is radius. Ngayon naman is diameter. Alright? Then what are we going to do to find first? The circumference muna tayo. Mamaya natin hanapin yung area. So, ang ating gagamiting formula is maalin dito sa dalawang to. And since nakita nyo na diameter ang given, therefore, ang gagamitin yung formula is C is equal to pi d. But then again, kapag nakalimutan nyo yung pangalawang formula ng ating circumference, pwede nyo gamitin si C is equal to 2 pi r. Ang gagawin nyo lang is to divide 6 by 2 para makuha nyo yung radius, di ba? Kasi ang diameter is 2 times ng radius. Therefore, i-divide nyo to sa 2 para makuha nyo ang radius. But then again, gamitin natin si C is equal to pi d. Okay? Same process, just substitute the value of the given and the pi itself. We have 3.14 times diameter, and the diameter is 6 meter. And then we have 3.14 times 6, that is 18.84. And dahil nga ang ating label dito ay meter, Therefore, that is 18.84 meter, and that is the length of the circumference of the circle. Alright? Now, gawin naman natin sa formula na ito, yung sinasabi natin kanina. Kapag nakalimutan nyo yung formula na to, pwede nyo gamitin to. Ganito lang yung gagawin nyo. C is equal to 2 pi r 2 times 3.14. And kapag ang given nga ay diameter, para makuha nyo yung radius, i-divide nyo lang yan to 2. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. That is the radius of this circle. So, we have 3. So, we have 2 times 3.14 times 3. And dito, depende sa inyo kung alin ang gusto nyo unahin. Kung gusto nyo munang i-times si 3.14 kay 2 or si 3.14 kay 3. It depends on you kung saan kayo mas comfortable. Alright? So, we have 3.14 times 2. That is 6.28. Times 3. That is 18.84 meter. Are they the same? Yes, they are. Therefore, both of the formula of the circumference na binigay ko kanina is pwede nyong gamitin in able for you to find the circumference of the circle. Alright? Now, let's go and let's find the area of this circle with the diameter of 6 meter. The area that we are going to use is of course the same with this. We have A is equal to pi r squared. And then next that you are going to do is to substitute the value of pi and the radius of this circle. Alright? And since nga diameter ang given, and kanina nga is napakita ko na sa inyo kung paano hanapin si radius kapag given ay diameter. I-divide nyo lang by 2. So, nakuha na natin si radius as 3. Ayan. And then we have 3.14 times ang radius ay 3, then squared. Okay? And then right after that, sinabi ko na din kanina na ang palagi nyong uunahin i-perform is yung mayroong exponent. Therefore, unahin natin si 3 squared. So, kopyahin nyo lang si 3.14. And then 3 raised to 2 is 9. Since you are going to multiply 3 2 times. Alright? So, we have 3.14 times 9. That is 28.26. And the label will be square meter. Okay? And that is the final answer. Thank you so much everyone for watching. It's me again, Mariel. And always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Thank you and God bless everyone.